Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I totally forgot to film the intro a minute ago when I was in my bedroom. So here is the intro to my walkthrough. So you all, this walkthrough has one Christmas item, and that is it. The rest of the stuff is all brand new stuff to me that I have not seen before. And it's not Christmas. It's like one or a couple things out of like the wedding section, amazing toys. And so, yeah, you might think of them for Christmas, but guys, get there and get like your stocking stuffers, like stuff for birthday parties next year. Amazing stuff. Like they had, like you're going to see in here, there's so many different things. I love their little, like their own little Lego set thing they have now. That's amazing. Like make a little car, and they had all the little action figures on the side. They had little masks. I mean, they just had so much stuff I can't even and their baking section, guys, if you just bake on a normal basis, get there. They had some really good buys there. But anyways, this walkthrough has quite a bit of that stuff, you guys. You've got to get out there and look, and actually tell me what is your favorites in my walkthrough, because like I said, it was at first I wasn't going to film, and then I went down one aisle and I was like, oh, there's a lot of stuff, and then another one, and then another one, and I was like, okay, I'm going to have to film because there was so much stuff. It was amazing. And like I said, not even Christmas. I think it's out because of Christmas, but it's not Christmas related. It's just toys and stuff out of the wedding section and the food section and the technology section. I mean, there was stuff in every section. I believe there was candles, there was vases, so many different things. So you guys watch this walkthrough, and good luck finding this stuff, because this was all at one store. So I got to get back there. Okay, you all, I went back and forth about whether I should film or not today, but I mean, I just can't not do it. There's so many cute things here. Whoops, I'm gonna have to pick all this up. All these cute masks. They're dinosaur masks. They're made of felt, but they're so cute. Then you guys, we have a Star Wars mask. How cute is that? There's the Hulk, a ninja. Here's Iron Man, Spider-Man. Oh my gosh. And then I'm not even gonna turn it off, because then, I mean, there's so much awesome stuff I don't even know. So this is the ATV, and it says figures not included, but you guys, they actually sell them. So this is the final action is for Alpha Team 1, and then it says Series 1 Alpha Team 1. I mean, how cute is that for a little gift basket? And then they have this one. This is, say, Alpha Team 1. No, this is, what is that? Battle Ready Conversion Kit. But I mean, they have the stuff right here with them. How cute is that? You guys, they have this in the wedding section. This is so cute, and it's not by Greenbrier. But how cute is that? It's little police things. And then I've never seen the gray utensils here, so I thought that was really cool. So those are the gray ones. I can't remember if there was anything else on this aisle, but we'll look together. Oh, I can't remember either if I had seen the light blue before, but here's the light blue and the dark blue in this section. So cute. So cute. And then, oh, this is heavy. So they actually have the dough things, dough with molds. So it has 2 cutters. What else? Where's the English side? Okay, so 4 colors of dough, 2 molds, 2 cutters, and 1 roller. So here was this one. This one I think is a birthday one, I'm not sure. Oh, it says it. Hello, birthday, dinner, lunch. Let's see what lunch is. Ooh, I'm hungry, so that looks good. And then it looks like cookies, so let's see what the cookies is. I mean, this would be the cutest little gift basket. Again, I'm getting so many ideas. Put this all together. How cute, and like give them some more Play-Doh and stuff. These are just so cute. So they have like the names of them up here. Such a cute little gift for $1. And guys, this thing is heavy. Who's it made by? I think it might be made by Greenbrier. Yes, Greenbrier, so you should all have it. And then we have some of the Splat figures, but they're not like before. Like, what is this? I don't even know. This little character, I don't know what that is. Here's like a bulldog looking thing. I don't know what this blue blob is. But I mean, look at him. So cute. Oh my gosh, if I would have known they had these. So if you guys have seen the metal ones, these are gonna be amazing for my patients. So it has one storage pouch, one felt board, and 24 pieces. And it's all kinds of different ones. I'm gonna have to get some. There's, let's see, Connect 4, Tic Tac Toe Memory. You all, they have these AR glow puzzles. It's not just puzzles, but AR games. So let's see, what is you have to do? Follow below steps and scan me to play. So you actually scan the code and it does more than just that. And they even have it in like Mermaid. They have it in so many different things. But like, it's a scan thing, so you also play different games. How amazing. It comes alive. I love that. And for the little ones, like they have a little car remotes. How cute. Let's see. It says batteries included. I don't know, but look at how cute. So they have all those. They have Uno Go games, you guys. You know, Uno cards are $8 a deck. These are mini, but they're so cute. And then I saw this, and I was like, I have to show you guys. It's the Venice Canal. How many pieces is it? 101. That's beautiful. So, oh wow, they have, look at this one, the Alpine Swan. These are beautiful, and they're vertoramic puzzles. I don't know what that means, but those are so pretty. Oh, hello. A beach view. This is my kind of puzzle. That's really pretty. What else do they have in here? Slot Canyon. Oh, what is this one? Washington Monument. Oh gosh, I'm making a mess. Here's the Washington Monument. These are so cute, guys. But this is the one that drew my attention. Okay, now tell me this is not amazing. It's a movie countdown collection, and it's like an advent calendar of Spider-Man. And then I think, like, I don't know, there's 14 little pieces. There's 4 of those little heads. I'm not sure, but this is so cute. So cute. So like I said, it's just like an advent calendar. So let's not turn off because there's so much on this aisle for us to see. We've seen these before, but those are cute. Let's see, then we have the Splatums down here. Those are cute. But I want to bring you guys over here. Guys, I know we've seen the digging ones before, but I've never seen this one. So this is like a gold seashell kind of thing. And this is like a blue seashell. And they're the excavation kits. And then here is like the silver seashell. Yeah, and you just excavate and let's see, hold on, let me put this away. And then I guess you unearth the surprise. I don't know what that is, but how cute is that? You guys, I'm dying in this store. It is so much stuff. Okay, first of all, look at these colors. Amazing. I've never seen these little, they're foam, but they're little mini volleyballs. I just thought they were cute because I like the colors. Here's a beach ball. That's cute. And they're just foam, but I've just never seen like these colors and stuff. I love them. So awesome. Here's the little mini footballs. Wow, those are really small. So I haven't seen these ones here before, and this is the Carpet Odor Eliminator. And they have it for Pet Fresh. And let's see, this one says Fresh Sensations. This one just says extra strength. Good deal. Let's see. Is this carpet cleaner? Oh my gosh. This is actually the home store. I'm getting this. This is 10 ounces. Oh wow. This is, oh no, it says by Greenbrier. But I'm gonna see how good this is because yeah, this is compared to the performance of Carpet Fresh, and it's a foam, no vacuuming needed. So we're gonna try it. And then we have more of the IQ puzzles. I got this for my dogs and did a little video for you guys last time. And now we have these ones, so those are cute. My dogs would eat these toys alive, but they're still cute. But they wouldn't make it 2 seconds. Oh, look, that's Effingham from Amy's videos. I have no idea how well these work, but it's a little water bowl. Again, my dogs would eat them, but I think they're so cute. And then here's these for the cats. And they're pretty foamy, so that's cute. OMG, look at this. It has ice creams. This one has avocados. French fries. And look at the hamburgers. Those are so cute. Those are hilarious. Oh, wait a minute. I feel like I'm gonna have to get this for a giveaway. It has coffee on it, so I'll get this for a giveaway. Everyone loves coffee. And then here's some hot dogs. So cute. So cute. Oh wow, look at all the room mists. Lavender Dreams. Let's see. Mediterranean Sage. Yep, that's my cart. Let's see. Cherry Blossoms. White Gardenia. Let's see. It says room mist. 2 ounces. It's by Aromar, so it's not even a Greenbrier brand. These are way cute, guys. Look at this cute little bottle with the little like heart thing on it. It's like a white milk glass. It's so cute. Look at the black and white buffalo check storage containers. They're so cute. And then these ones actually are saying that they're larger now, 11 by 10.5 inches. So wow, let's see. There's a big difference between those ones and these ones, so they're getting much bigger. And let's see, they have the wall shelves back, but this looks like a different one because I don't think mine did that, but they have these back again. Yay, yay. And then all of these with the tassels. And then the Wi-Fi. So many different ones. Oh my gosh, you guys. So these are the chair pads. But you could use this fabric for sure, or you could definitely make them into pillows. This one is just red, I guess. This is the Christmas trees. But these are actual chair pads. I've not seen these at the Dollar Tree before. It doesn't say the size though. No. But it's an actual seat cushion. And like I said, you could easily make that into a pillow or anything you wanted. Okay, these are made by Cushy Foot and they're a seam-free edge. But look at these ones. They're so decorated. Let's see, and these are Essie. I think I've seen these at Walmart before. These are knee highs. Woo woo. Valentine's Day is coming up, ladies. Let's see, and these, let's see what these are. Non-binding. Let's see. It's trying to see if there was a price tag under it, but there is not. But how cute are these by Therapy Plus? Tell me how I just noticed that this was banana cream. That is going into my carts. Guys, they have pistachio. Oh yes. What else do we have here? We have this baking powder. I saw it at the other store too. I don't know. And then, let's see, it's by Carlin's Finest. Evaporated creamer. One of the other stores had sweet creamer or something. Here's a big thing. A pound of sugar for $1. You guys, your baking stuff is here. Coconut oil. If you are baking, this is your store. Let's see. Brown gravy mix. I got this at the other store, so that'll be in my haul. Stuffing mix. Here's another pound if you want it in a different thing. Okay. This is what I was talking about. The sweetened condensed creamer that is so expensive at a store. You all, oh, I got these before and they were horrible. Ugh, don't get them. But I'm back at my favorite store and it has my cinnamon and sugar pita chips. Best on the planet. So, I'm not that healthy. I'm not eating, what is that, like freeze-dried carrots? No, thank you. But you guys might like them. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, guys, these are amazing. Whew. I am hungry or I would not be showing all this. So let's see what else we can find. Okay, this is amazing for $1. What? I'm gonna pick them all up so you'll see them in my haul. But look at all of them. They're all the Friends chapsticks. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, so here's one. Let's see. This purple one is one. Oh great, I put them in my cart and now I can't remember. Here's another one. Okay, I'll have to show you guys in my haul because I can't remember which ones I'm grabbing now. But amazing find. Okay, I hauled these. Hauled them in. Oh my gosh, I'm breaking them. Hold on, let me pick this up. So I hauled these. Okay, in one of my videos. Okay, now they're falling all over. But look at these games, and they're the color forms. You just take them off and put them back on. And then this is a crystal putty flashing. Does it work? There's a little ball in there that flashes. And then, you guys, look at it. They have so many things. This is my Crown Jewel Kids, or like learning things for kids. This is a puzzle that's rhyming words. And this is for animal babies. I mean, that's so cute. Okay, so I just like these because I love the colors. It says vibrant colors on light or dark surfaces. Oh well, might as well get them. How cute are those colors?